Thank you. I thought you opened the door for me, but I suppose not. Oh my god, that's crazy talk. Hey, wait. How do I put this up? Okay. That's all the water. Oh, they have beautiful vases, no? Look at the vases. Oh, your mom is a woman of great taste. But the fact that they have all this sparkling water, kind of insane. Oh, I suppose we could find the jars. One of the jars here might fit our blender. That's insane. I guess all of this is for bruschetta, no? Most of it. For the bread? The spread for the bread?
No, most of it is jam, marmalade, or some of the spread.
That's cool. Oh, look at the pasta. Oh, I thought it was much worse. I think it's been much. It's much.
raw.
Ah, that's crazy talk.
It's like almost 18,
Oh.
and this is also.
So this
10.
is what you want.
This is what they have. No?
No, but
This is a good storage. So the spices, so that you don't run out.
yeah, that's how you think I should be running the house.
No, but we could establish some sort of.
I don't think we have a
storage
pantry.
like that in our basement, you know.
Oh, I suppose.
So we have some space there.
The thing is, we don't have the space inside the house for such thing. Our flat is quite small. Shall we pick up a game? It's not just water or a pasta. Look at all these games. Oh my goodness, you must have had the greatest childhood, honey. And your drums are crazy. Gonna pick a game? Look at small Matthias. Will you be playing this week? We have a winner. I will go outside, up there. I am cold. Have fun reminiscing. Ubongo. Fun game to play. We are currently at Matthias' parents' house, and they were going around the basement and they found the waffle maker they had since they got the house and whatnot, and since Matthias was small. And look at it. Like today's waffles, like the waffle maker, do not have like the strength and this type of. Oh, how cute! So we're gonna make waffles before we play Ubongo. Yes. The plug in here. Is it here? Yes, the plug is there. I'll be moving the blender. You have seen my waffle recipe for ages, so that's nothing new. How do I know this is plugged correctly? I need to read the instructions. Perfect. Okay. Oh, we can also use the small one. Oh, there is a small blender for the small one. Where is it? I need to find this. I don't see it. I don't see the small blender. That's weird. I was able to remove the thing, so we're gonna use this small jar because we don't have a lot of pancakes. Flour, less sugar. I will not use the baking powder now because we're gonna blend this first. We're just gonna use the baking powder once everything is emulsified. Now let's add the baking powder. Very proud. This is a vintage yes. Waffle machine. I think it's hot enough. It looks like hot enough. Hopefully.
You need some margarine?
No, yeah, the butter already has.
Ah, that's enough.
Yeah. Hopefully. Let's try one today and see
what will happen.
Yeah, if we will have a waffle or. At least it has more smoke than ours. Crazy. Oh, we have it currently at 3 because it goes to 1 to 5, so more or less middle, hopefully. Oh, do you think it's done, guys? I suppose you are on for almost 2 minutes. I will wait for the 2 minutes mark. Ta-da. Okay. Hello, we are using the waffle machine.
Nice.
Hopefully it works. Oh, it does not. Do we need to put extra oil in this one? Oh,
Yes.
the first one did not work.
You must
Put extra oil. Okay. Okay. Because in ours, I just put the butter here. Because here it has margarine already. But, and then we don't put any extra oil. But maybe this one, I need to put some extra oil.
Yes. Now you have this.
Yeah. We're still gonna eat it. It's still tasty. But it's not... Oh, sad.
Sina, machst du da immer Öl rein? Oder was?